We're wrapping this in a stacked slate stone thing, and I'm learning how to do miters. I had to go get a new saw so I could get that first layer in there. I'm trying to get these corners so that they kind of match. Doing these miter cuts, so you have to take one piece and cut it and then back cut it so that the shorter ones line up with the short ones and the fat ones line up with the fat ones. I don't know, we'll see. This is just the first layer to set this and let it set overnight so that I can set all the rest of them on top, because they'll tend to want to push down if we don't. So this will be like the anchor. And shot in with a laser level so that from here on out it should just be around and around and around. I hope. I made several mistakes learning how to make these bevel cuts, but now I got some spare pieces.